Welcome. If your Telegram desktop app keeps minimizing to the taskbar instead of closing properly, you're not alone. This behavior can be frustrating, especially if you prefer apps to fully close when you hit the exit button. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to disable the close to taskbar feature on Telegram for PC using the latest update. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the sidebar menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to Telegram's main settings panel where you can customize how the app behaves. Inside Settings, continue scrolling until you find the Advanced option. Click on Advanced to access more detailed controls and hidden features. Now this is where the key changes happen. Look for the option labeled Show Tray icon. By default, this is usually enabled, which allows Telegram to run in the background and stay in your system tray even after closing the window. Go ahead and disable Show Tray icon by toggling it off. Once you do that, another option related to closing behavior becomes available, or changes automatically. Now, when you close Telegram, it will no longer minimize to the taskbar or system tray.